decided to share my thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after using it extensively for the past few weeks. As a first-time Samsung phone owner, I've been pleasantly surprised by the experience, positive aspects of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start with what I love about this phone. First and foremost, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an incredible display. Its vivid colors, sharp resolution, and peak brightness make it a joy to use, especially outdoors. The titanium design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra not only looks premium, but also feels incredibly sturdy. Despite its large size, the phone is surprisingly comfortable to hold and use, performance-wise. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is a beast, thanks to its snappy processor and ample RAM. It handles everything from multitasking to graphic-intensive gaming with ease, of course. We can't forget about the cameras. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera system is nothing short of impressive, with its high megapixel count, versatile lens options, and ability to shoot 8K video. Areas for improvement. Despite its many strengths, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is not without its flaws. One major issue I've encountered is the shutter lag on the camera. This delay between pressing the shutter button and capturing the photo can be frustrating, especially when trying to capture fast-moving subjects. Another aspect that falls short is the speaker performance. While the speakers on the Galaxy S24 Ultra produce decent sound quality, they lack the depth and clarity found in other flagship devices like the iPhone 15 Pro. Additionally, while I've enjoyed using Android 14 and the One UI operating system, I have some reservations about the Galaxy AI features being locked behind a paid subscription model. After 2025 AI features and camera performance, despite these drawbacks, there's still plenty to love about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The AI features, such as live translation and generative AI photo editing, add a level of convenience and functionality that enhances the overall user experience. As for the camera performance, aside from the shutter lag issue, the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers stunning results. From its impressive zoom capabilities to its natural-looking portrait mode, this camera system consistently produces high-quality images and videos, design and durability. In terms of design, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may not offer any groundbreaking changes, but it's a well-crafted device with iterative improvements over its predecessors. The addition of titanium rails and an anti-reflective screen are welcome upgrades. Furthermore, the durability of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is commendable. With its robust build quality and anti-reflective screen, this phone can handle daily wear and tear with ease. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a fantastic smartphone that excels in many areas. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its impressive camera system and durable design, it offers a compelling package for consumers. However, it's important to acknowledge its shortcomings, such as the camera shutter lag and speaker performance, as well as the potential drawbacks of the Galaxy AI subscription model. Ultimately, whether the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the right choice for you depends on your priorities and preferences. But for me, as a first-time Samsung phone owner, I've been thoroughly impressed and can confidently recommend it to others.